Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming the username or the email address tied to your Roblox account so recovery targets the correct profile. Once done, make sure you can access that email inbox or the linked phone number because Roblox will send a code. You should also have your current device and browser ready. They sometimes help bypass extra verification. If you remember parts of the password, note them down. These details speed verification and may let you guess a correct reset without repeated attempts. Next, go to the Roblox login and choose Forgot Password, entering the exact username or email you verified. Then, check the inbox and the spam folder. Roblox will send either a one-time code or a reset link. When you receive it, use the code or link immediately because they expire. Enter the new password twice to confirm. Make the password unique and strong. Combine upper and lowercase numbers and symbols so you avoid future resets and protect your account from unauthorized access. Finally, log in with the new password and immediately enable two-step verification in Roblox settings to prevent repeat issues. If you cannot access the recovery email or phone, contact Roblox support and provide proof of ownership, purchase receipts, previous device info, or linked console ID to speed recovery. If you still have trouble logging in, clear browser cookies and cache or try a different browser or device. Sometimes cached credentials block the new password. One tip: check spam filters and alternate inboxes before escalating.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.